What's up, y'all? We made it to this sick-ass drifting event. I've been asking around. Hopefully I get to ride one of these bad boys. I don't know why, but my camera's about to die, even though I charged it. It's all good though, but check this shit out. What do you think, Oscar?
Sick as fuck. Love the smell of burned rubber in the morning.
Burning rubber.
What's that?
Burning rubber.
Yeah. Only thing is, like, my whole thing is, this is awesome. That's how we're gonna get home. So, let's save some money for the vlog.
Oh shit, you right.
We're down to 1 bar of gas, and the only gas station here in town is closed.
We made it. Somehow, we fucking made it. So what happened was, we almost ran out of gas. It's about an hour drive from Oscar's to the track, and about 80% of the way there, we notice we're on our last little sliver of gas. So we're like, oh boy. Yikes, you know what I mean? So we tried to find a gas station. We did, but it was closed. So we're like, fuck it. We're just gonna make it to the event and hope for the best. We make it there, have a jolly old time. Cars were dope. There weren't too many people there, honestly, except for the drivers and like the crews, I guess. And riding in one of those cars, I think I rode in a S13, I don't even fucking know. I was just fucking balling out, having the time of my life. Had a good time, then we left. We looked for a gas station. Come to find out, it's Mountain Day. And what Mountain Day is because the Japanese work so hard, they give themselves a little holiday so they can take a day off. So we were worried that all the gas stations were going to be closed. Luckily enough, we find one, get some gas, make it home, no problem. Just chill for the rest of the day. It was a good fucking day, huh? Now, probably just gonna go take a nap. I just got home. I'm pretty sleepy. Late.